Yes, there are experiences of the physical body. There are experiences of the etheric body. There is the pranic body. There are experiences of the astral body. There are experiences of the causal body. There are experiences of the supracausal body. Experiences of the cosmic body. Experiences of nirvanic body. There are 7 types of experiences. All these 7 will have. Depending upon which body is active. Sometimes the only physical body is active, sometimes the etheric body is active, sometimes the astral body is active, sometimes the causal body is active, sometimes the supracausal body is active, sometimes the cosmic body, sometimes the nirvanic body. Anything might happen. You will know about something about your bodies. Put together, that's the whole sum of meditation. In each experience, you will get a glimpse of some of your bodies. You have to wait patiently to have your cosmic experience or nirvanic experience or out of body experience or etheric experience.